everyone, this is Elise with the Santa Cruz Museum of Natural History, and today I'm here to show you how to make your own mini museum at home. For this craft you will need paper or an old box from cereal or another package. You will also need glue or tape and coloring utensils, and as an option you can collect some nature treasures to create your exhibit. Here I have shells, a feather, bone, and fossil rock. This is the box I am using to create my mini museum. I am creating 2 walls to display my exhibits on. If you want to draw on the walls, it is easiest to do that before using glue to put them up. I am also going to cut 2 half circles and a rectangle from the extra cardboard to create tables with. Now it is time to decorate your museum. On this wall I added a table in the middle to display my fossil rock. I drew frames on the walls and taped in a flower and leaf I found near my house. In the middle of my museum, I put another table to display the bone and shell. On the opposite wall, I put up a barn owl feather and a flower. I also made one of the tables into a tide pool exhibit because that is one of my favorite exhibits at the museum. What is your favorite exhibit at the museum? I hope you enjoyed virtually visiting my mini museum of natural history, and I hope you have fun creating your own.